Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make this tasty and delicious baked chicken drumsticks. So let's get started. For the ingredients I have 12 chicken drumsticks, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 6 tablespoons of homemade yogurt. For spices I have 1 tablespoon cumin coriander powder, half tablespoon paprika, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of parsley. Add the spices in a bowl. Mix well, add the green chili paste, add the lemon juice, add the ginger garlic paste, and add the yogurt. And mix well. Put 2 deep cuts . I'm now going to marinate it. I'm now going to massage the masala into the deep cuts. I have put cling film on top. I'm now going to put this in my fridge for overnight. If you are in a rush, then wait 4 hours before you start cooking. I've taken it out of the fridge. I'm now going to place the chicken drumsticks into this baking tray. I've placed them all inside the baking tray. I'm now going to put it in the oven, which I have preheated on gas mark 7. I'm now going to make my salad. Add onions, lettuce, avocado, tomatoes, red bell pepper. Add black pepper, and 2-3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well. The salad is now ready. After 30 minutes, I took it out. I'm now going to flip it to the other side. After you flip all the drumsticks, put it in the oven for another 30 minutes. I've taken it out again. This time both sides are cooked. I'm now going to brush oil on top. I have wrapped tin foil over it. I'm now going to bake this for another 5 minutes. I've taken it out of the oven and it is very hot, so be careful when it comes to dishing it out. These are the end result. It looks really good and smells delicious. If you enjoyed my video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.